Wicked dreaming, I was on X Factor and everything.
You was on X Factor and everything, dreaming?
No, I'm not.
I was on a wicked dream, eh?
Fucking hell.